Hello everyone, today let's talk about front wheel oil seal. This product is made of NBI rubber. Its size is internal diameter 140, external diameter 160, sink 13. This product applicable to STR oil seal, and one is long service life, good abrasion resistance, high temperature resistance, good structure and aging resistance, oil leakage prevention, and mud and water resistance. Applicable to mechanical engineering and equipment processing industry, sealing of transmission system of agricultural machinery and engineering machinery. And this product is with spring also. This color is red brown and is made of NBI rubber.